Hey y'all, in today's video from the 2024 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky, I got a very cool 1970 Chevy Blazer I think y'all gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
I wouldn't change a thing. And I'm just crazy about slammed Blazers from this generation of Blazer. From when they were real Blazers. Take the top off them. You know, because as a kid, my aunt and uncle had one, but very rarely would they unbolt the top because it was quite a process, and then you had the problem with putting it back and it not leaking and yada yada. Well, these, they just take the top and throw it in the trash. I guess that's what they do. I don't see a way to mount them, but maybe there is. But man, am I a fan. I like the color. The stance is just killed the stance. Wheel choice, I dig it. Look how deep well, look at the custom grill in it to begin with. Before I get to carrying on about how deep those rear wheels are. I like the interior, I like the plaid inserts. I'm just the biggest fan. And I wish I could tell you more, like, you know, engine and, you know, color and things like that, but I really couldn't find anything out about the truck. It did win a big award down at the Battle of Bama. Coolest Blazer 2024 or something like that, I don't know. It won some big award. Does not surprise me, because again, there's nothing that you can do to make that thing any cooler. And I don't think you, in my personal opinion, I don't think you can go out and build anything that is any cooler. I mean, you know what I see when I see that? You know, it's not all paneled up, it's not all hidden wires, all that, but you know what I see? I see reliability. I see that whoever owns this can put the key in it or push the button and go anywhere they want to go. And trust me when I tell you, that is the biggest part of the dream. If you can't do that, then what good is it? And I bet you can take this one now, you know. I wouldn't take it to Walmart. It sits pretty low. You better be careful going over the speed bumps. But I love the stance. I wouldn't change anything. And no, I wouldn't drive it daily. But I'd drive it a lot. Man, I love it. I love how they two-toned it. Love that gray against that white. Very, very cool. 2024 NSRA Street Rod Nationals. There's a whole bunch of cool up in there. This is inside the expo center, inside the building, inside a vendor's area. Actually, steel rubber products, shout out to them. Never got anything from them, but they are well respected in the industry, and I know a lot of people that have used their products and been satisfied with them. So, shout out to them. They're the ones that got this truck there somehow so that we can see it. And man, am I glad they did. I'm a fan. I don't know what else to say. I can ramble all day about how cool it is. Well, you can clearly see how cool it is. Just the stance, the wheel, just so cool. Man, I dig it. So there you go, from the 2024 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. A very cool 1970 Chevy Blazer. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya!